Hi, welcome to Hoop-de-Doo and welcome to Combinations Part 2. This is going to be a video of going from forward weave to reverse weave and back again. And I'm also going to add at the end going from forward weave to windmill. Okay? So to start with, we're just going to do, there are many different ways to do this. On this video, I will do a basic turn. It's just one of the very simple turns to do with forward to reverse. Okay? And in future videos, I will get into more complicated turns, going from forward to almost a hug weave into reverse, and also going from forward to hug to reverse and up to windmill and back around and keep going. Okay? So we will do those things in future videos. Right now we're going to do forward, and I'll show you what it looks like. I know we had the preview on the beginning of this video, but I'll show you again here. So you're going forward weave, and your right arm, your right hoop is going over the left arm. The right arm crossing over the left arm on this, okay? And I'm going to turn towards the camera, and my right arm is going to lead, okay? So I'm starting right arm over left, right over left, right over left. When it comes down to this side, back to this side, then I'm going to head both hoops, and the left one's going to follow the other one, and you're going to just follow it, come up, and this one does first, and then they come around. Okay, so the right hand does the hand position change first when it's about up here, and then the left hand does the hand position change just like 2 seconds after this one, and then they go into the reverse weave. Okay, so let's do that slowly. And down comes your right hoop, the other one is following it, the right one does its hand position change, the left one does its, and then they start the reverse weave. Okay? So let's try one hoop at a time. Okay, we'll try the lead hoop, the one that leads the way. It's going forward, forward weave, and here we go. We're going to go up and hand position change, and then start your weave. So here it comes. It's coming. You've got it when it's coming in front of you. You've got your hand position like this, thumb pointed that way, and it's going over and up, and then you're going to do your other hand position change. Remember, outside to inside the hoop, and you're going to bring it up and down, up and down, and you're then in the reverse weave. Okay, left hand comes forward weave, forward weave, forward weave, forward weave, and it's going to follow the right hoop. There we go. It's going to pretend like it's following. The right hoop does its hand position change, and then this one does its hand position change. Comes down and up. Okay? So the hand position changes on both hoops are almost at the same time. Okay, so let's try it in slow motion one more time, and then we'll do reverse to forward. Okay. And I got the death grip on the hoops now because I'm going slow. And if you remember what the death grip is, it's if you're going slow. So we're going to try and slow it down for you. This right hoop comes down, it comes up, the other one is following it, and this one does the hand position change, then this one does, and then they come crossing over, and then you're into the reverse weave. Okay, one more time. Forward weave, and you're turning your body at the same time as you start now. And so you're turning your body with the hoops. You come to the other side. You do your hand position change up there, hand position change here, and then you start going reverse. Okay, so you've got forward, forward. Okay? And then you're doing reverse weave. Reverse weave. So that is the simple way to do it. It's the easiest way that I know of to do it. Okay? Going back from reverse back to forward. Same thing. I'm going to go the opposite direction. Okay? And it's the same move, only in reverse. So you've got reverse, 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 reverse. And this time the left hoop is going to be the leader in going back. Remember we said the right hoop is leading? It's leading to the reverse. Going from reverse to forward, the left hoop is going to be leading. Okay? If you're doing right over left crossed arms. Okay? So, here we go. With the left hoop, it's going to be the leader. And when you come up to the left hoop, comes up and around. Okay? And it's going to do its hand position change first. And then the right one's going to do its hand position change. And then they're going to come back and start the forward weave. Okay. So it's the exact same move that we just did, forward to reverse. And we're going to do it reverse to forward. And we're from forward to reverse. Okay, from reverse back to forward. Okay, so let's try the reverse one again. Reverse weave, reverse weave, reverse weave. I'll slow it down. Reverse weave, reverse weave. And here comes the left hoop up. And it's going to come down. Change hand positions on it. Change hand positions on the right one. Bring the left one down. And you're back to the front. The forward weave. Okay? It just takes a little bit of practice, but it's a very simple way to do it. Okay, so we'll do both ways now. Forward weave, forward weave. This right hoop is going to lead and follow the other one. The left hoop is going to follow the right one into the reverse weave, reverse weave, reverse weave. Now the left hoop is going to be the follower, or the leader, the leader, and it's going to come up and over. The right hoop is going to follow it. You're going to do your hand position change there, hand position change, and then bring the left one down under. Okay, and that starts your forward weave again. Okay, one more time, and then we'll do our windmill. Okay, the windmill is pretty easy. You have to know how to do the windmill first, and that is if you go to Twins Turns Part 3 or Part 4. One of those has it in it. So learn the windmill before watching this video. Okay? Okay, so we're doing forward weave, forward weave. Right hoop is going to lead into it. Here it goes, leading. Hand position change, reverse. We're doing reverse weave now. Reverse weave now. Your left hoop is going to lead back to the forward weave. Your left hoop. Here it goes. When it comes up, 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 the other one is following it. Left hand does the hand position change. Right hand does the hand position change. And then they come down and cross just like you do in your forward weave. Forward weave, forward weave. Follow. Reverse weave, lead with the left, follow, and do your hand position changes almost at the same time. There are like 2 seconds there in between. Okay? So let's try the windmill. Okay, going from forward weave to the windmill is actually pretty easy if you know, the turn that you've just learned, forward weave to reverse, It's exactly the same transition move into the windmill from the forward. So think about, you've got your forward weave going on, forward weave, and you're going to lead with the right hoop again, because going into the windmill, and I can't get my hands up very high because of my ceilings, okay? But this is the windmill, okay? And when you are going into the windmill from the forward weave, it's the same thing. This right hoop is going to lead. Almost as if you're going to go into a reverse weave. You could go into the reverse weave or the windmill. And since we've already done the reverse weave, let's try the windmill. So you're going up and you start the windmill. Okay? So if you watch the tutorial on the windmill, you'll see there are different ways to start the windmill. And if you're standing still, you can have one hoop following the other. Your hands are on the hoop, thumbs pointing towards each other, and the right hoop is going to lead, and it's going to go up above your head, and when it goes up to your head, it goes behind you. Okay, so it goes behind you, and the other hoop follows it. It's just like they're following each other, just like the forward weave. Okay? Okay? Okay, so you're doing your forward weave, forward weave, forward weave, and we're going to come into the windmill. Okay? Forward weave, right hoop leads, okay? And it's going to go up above your head. It's going to do a hand position change on the right hand. The other hand, if you remember from the windmill tutorial, the left hand does not do a hand position change. Okay, so weave, weave, forward, forward weave. Here we go, right hand leading. And on this, we've got both thumbs pointing in the same direction, okay? Okay, forward weave, forward weave. This right hoop leads, goes up above your head and does its hand position change, and then it does the windmill. Okay, very easy if you know already from this video, if you know going from forward weave to reverse weave. It's the same motion, that right hoop coming down and leading. It can go either into reverse weave or it can go into windmill. And back. Same thing. If you're doing the windmill and you're in windmill, okay, then you can take the right hoop and do another hand position change up there to come back into the forward weave. Okay, so anytime you're going into or out of the windmill from the forward weave, you're going to do a hand position change. Okay, so here we go. Hand position change. Whoops. So here we go. Hand position change on the right hoop. And you're doing your windmill. Okay, and now you're going to take another hand position change on your right hoop, same hoop that you did going in, and then you're going to go bring it down and go back in to the forward weave. So hand position change going in, hand position change coming out. So when you go in, it's the right hoop that's going to do the most work. The left hoop just continues doing the forward weave, okay? So your hand is, the thumb is out, okay? And you're going to go up, the hoop goes behind your head, okay? Up, behind your head, hand position change and bring it to the front. And then you're going to keep doing your windmill with it. Okay, and then when you want to go to the forward weave, back to it. Okay, you do another hand position change and bring it down to your side. And you are immediately in forward weave. Okay, forward weave, coming back, hand position change behind you, and bring it to the front. back, front, back, front, back, front, hand position change, weave. Try this with one hoop, the right hoop first, and then try putting them both together. Okay, if you can do the windmill, this is a very easy move from forward weave into the windmill. Okay? Front, back, front, hand position change, forward weave, forward weave, forward weave, forward weave. Here we go. This hoop is leading. It goes up behind your head, hand position change, and then you continue on with your windmill. Okay? Forward weave, forward weave, forward weave. Hand position change. Grab it, bring it in the front, back, front, back, front. Okay, so you're doing the forward weave, hand position change. It's the same move as if you're standing still and starting the windmill. Same move. When you're coming off of the forward weave, just remember it's the same exact move. Okay? One hoop is following the other. The left hoop is following the right hoop. It goes up, and that's it. Okay? So when you know these, then the next tutorial we'll do is going all the way around from forward weave to reverse weave, up to windmill, and back to forward weave. Okay? And just have fun with it. Don't think about it too much, because if you think about it too much, then you might miss a move that your body is wanting to do normally, naturally. And when that happens, sometimes your body will take you into another move, and just keep an open mind about that, because sometimes you come up with a new move. Okay? So have fun, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for Combinations Part 3. Okay? Thank you.